from Uncle Davis.
Open. Oh, it's a pocket bowl.
No, not really.
Can you say thank you, Uncle Davis?
Say thank you, Uncle Davis.
Can you open the box? Let's open the box.
Let's see what Uncle Davis has. You might have to wait to use this.
What's
Let's
that?
see. Let's see what's this. Oh,
What is that?
look at that. Yeah.
Oh.
Little balls. Oh.
And what's this? Oh. It's a teacup.
Cup.
You drink? Drink some tea?
Wanna make some tea for Grammy and Daddy?
Thank
Oh,
you.
get another teacup? You wanna give one to Grammy? Give one to Grammy?
Oh, we can all have tea.
You say, wanna say cheers to Uncle Davis?
A little plate.
See the little plates. Your coffee here.
You put your teacup on the saucer. You want to give Grammy a saucer?
Here's Grandma's sausage.
Saucer. Put your cup down. It's like, what was that?
Here, thank you. Oops.
Oh, be careful.
Up.
Oh, there's a teapot too.
See the teapot?
Sugar and creamer.
You're going straight for the pot.
And we have like a cup for Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
And we have a little cup for Daddy. We can have our little Christmas tea. Oh.
It's sugar.
Sugar.